There are three types of sections that you're going to be recording in your audiobook. First are the credit sections, of which there are two in every audiobook, the opening and end credits. Second are the section breaks, which your book may or may not have, depending on how you've chosen to structure it. And three is everything else, your chapters, your prologue, your dedication, your epilogue, all of that good stuff. We're going to dive into how to record each of those three types of sections, and we're going to start by recording your credit sections, your opening and end credits. Like I mentioned in the last video, these are mandatory sections that distributors like Audible require you to have. Because these sections need to include key information, including the book's title, its authors, and its narrators in order to meet requirements, Prozody automatically templates these sections for you, as you can see in the script window. Now, if you're new to audiobook production, I recommend leaving these scripts as is, but if you feel like taking some creative license, click the edit button in the top right of the script window to modify the script. Great, and when you're ready, click the big red button in the bottom left to record. From Idea to Incubator, written by Rehan Memon, read to you by the author. In the edit window, we can see a transcript of our narration, along with little dashes that represent the silent time in your audio. Pauses are an important part of your performance, so don't try to cut these out unless you think the pause is jarringly long. It's also important to remember that every section needs to begin and end with a little bit of silence so the listeners can tell when a chapter finishes and another starts. We take care of that when we master your files, but you should make sure that every one of your sections has at least a few dashes at the start and at the end. Now, let's listen back to the audio to see if we like it. From Idea to Incubator, written by Rehan Memon, read to you by the author. Sounds good to me. Let's save our work, then mark it as complete.